Welcome to Pure Aqua for the most advanced reverse osmosis, water treatment, and purification systems worldwide.
We're at the world headquarters of Pure Aqua Inc. and production completed the fabrication of a 600 gallon per day skid-mounted reverse osmosis system complete with pre and post treatment going to the country of Nigeria for a laboratory application. So the customer on this particular application will feed city water and will pass the water through a multimedia filter to remove any sediment and reduce the suspended solids, followed by a carbon filter to reduce the organics and remove all chlorine, followed by a water softener to reduce, of course, the hardness and exchange that for sodium. From there, the water gets fed into the RO system where, again, as we mentioned, we produce about 600 gallons per day of permeate water. And on this particular system, we have our advanced S150 microprocessor control panel, along with all instrumentation here on the front side, pre-filter and post-filter gauges, a system pressure gauge, and all necessary flow meters to monitor our process flow rates. On the back side of the system, of course, we have our conductivity sensor to measure the final product quality, along with an inlet isolation valve and a stainless steel high pressure pump. So the product water gets further treated here and passes through a deionizing cartridge where whatever dissolved solids do not get removed by the membrane are removed by the DI cartridge to get the customer very close to ultra pure water, because again, this is for a laboratory application. Now, aside from all the features discussed, of course, the main feature here really is the factory skid mounting and installation, where we've in-house pre-engineered, tested and assembled this skid mounted system with all pre and post treatment. So when the customer receives this very nice system on site, they do very minimal work where they're just pretty much connecting the inlet and the outlets along with the power inlet connection, because again, we've loaded all the media, tested all electronics and wiring, and of course, most importantly, pressure tested the system and complete. With that, thank you.
Thank you for choosing Pure Aqua as your primary supplier.